Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, or should I say, hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Oh my god, you guys have no idea, I have no energy. That is why I'm like so down today, because the whole day I actually just came back from work. Not just, I came back at 3:30 and it's 4:50 right now. So today whole day was so busy and it was very tiring. And I came back home. You guys know Mayank is not here, so let me give you the gist. I woke up at 5, drank my tea, took bath, got ready, and then fed Marvel, took him for a walk, then went to work. I came back at 3:30, I cleaned the house, and then I took bath right now because I was feeling so tired. So I took bath, applied a nice face mask, and I feel better now. And now I am going to go and do baking. So I'm gonna go and make blueberry muffins because I am really craving for muffin. Tomorrow is Valentine. Mayank is gonna come tonight midnight. It's almost gonna be 14th. So that is the plan. Looks like he has been relaxing the whole day, but I'm sure he got bored because he was home alone since morning, right, Marvel? You are so pretty. I love you. I love you. He doesn't even want to listen to me. He doesn't even want to listen to me. So anyways, let's go and let me show you. I actually have a ready-made packet which I'm going to use to make the muffin. I'm not going to make it from scratch. I don't have that much of energy right now. I'm just too tired and I cannot wait for Mayank to come back tomorrow, like tonight. And tomorrow morning I don't have to walk Marvel. He's gonna take care of Marvel, and then I can go to work because I have an early morning tomorrow as well. Now when I took out the packet, I saw that it's banana nut, and from the day I got it I was thinking that it's blueberry, but it's okay, I have frozen blueberry, so I'm gonna add blueberry to my banana nut muffin. So it's gonna be blueberry and banana nut muffin. I think it's gonna taste good. So this is gonna make 6 muffin. It says just add water or milk. Muffins, they came out really good. They are small in size, which is fine, and you guys saw I added my own chocolate chip, and yeah, it smells amazing. I'm gonna taste and see how it is. I'm just gonna let it cool down first and then taste it. I ate one whole muffin and it is so freaking good. I did a very good thing by adding chocolate chip to it. It's super soft, very fluffy, very good actually. And it also has nuts like walnut in it. Oh my god, so good. Oh. I don't know how I'm gonna save some for my own. But it's so freaking good. And I have only 6 and now only 5. Dinner time! So, what I'm doing here is, I was feeling very lazy but also hungry. I didn't want to order from outside. So I'm making a quick paneer and vegetable fried rice. It's like a cottage cheese and veggies all mixed in together with some spices, and it's gonna be so delicious. So what I'm doing here is, I've already sauteed them and I'm gonna pressure cook it for 8 minutes. Perfect. And this baby Instant Pot will do the magic. almost all, not all, but almost 80% of my cooking I do in an Instant Pot. It is so multi-use, and you can bake, you can steam, you can pressure cook, you can saute. It's like so good. And also the best part is that you don't have to keep standing in the kitchen when the Instant Pot is cooking your food. So yeah, I'm actually very sleepy, but I'm waiting for Mayank's call. He said as soon as he lands in Atlanta, he's gonna call me. So day before yesterday, on Tuesday actually, and today is Thursday, yeah, day before yesterday, I went to the gym and I worked out. I did weights. My whole body is paining so badly, especially my lower body, because I did more weights on my lower body, my legs, my glutes, and all the things. And I am like so freaking much in pain that even while walking Marvel, I was like, oh my god, I cannot walk him. And I was really wishing that I wish Mayank was here, he could have walked him. Oh my god. Alright guys, look at the fried rice, it's all done. The rice came out perfect. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner and I'll see you guys when Mayank is here.
Hey guys, so I am back and it's afternoon actually, so I am gonna eat something. I know you guys must be wondering how was my trip. I look terrible, which is fine. How was my trip? And so I will do a separate video like consolidating all my trip details, like where I ate, what I did. It was a official trip, so I didn't explore much of the city, but I'll definitely do a separate video. So watch out for that, where I will tell you what I ate. I stayed in downtown Pittsburgh, and I'll have more details in that video. For now, happy Valentine's Day. And I just got few things for Tanya, one from Pittsburgh and one from Atlanta. So let me show you what I got. She's at work, she'll be back by 4, and so this is a little surprise for her. We have coffee mugs, but we don't have something like espresso shots mugs. So and they are Valentine ones, so they go hand in hand. So I think she will love it. So she's gonna love these two. Of course, once she comes back, I'll show her reaction. I think she already made a couple of things for me last night, but I came so late. So I'm probably gonna have some rice. I'm super hungry. I've only had tea since morning, so I'm gonna warm up some rice and I'm gonna have it with a side of yogurt. So let me make my lunch and be back in office. And look at that, another surprise for me. She has like banana muffins for me here, so I'm definitely gonna have that after lunch. Look at those. They're chocolate chip banana muffins. Look delicious. Yeah.
Okay guys, I am back home from work and finally it's weekend. I'm so excited. And as soon as I came home, I found something on the countertop here. So let's see what Valentine gifts I got today. I was telling you guys that I want to buy some Valentine gift for him, but I didn't get the time. But let's see what I got. Okay, so you guys know my love for coffee mugs. You can see that wall over there. Marvel, no!
He's angry at you, you're not giving him time.
And then he got, you got this from Pittsburgh? This one?
Yeah.
So he got this coffee mug from me from Pittsburgh and 2 espresso mugs. So look at this, how beautiful this is. Look at this. This is the pair. So cute. This is from Atlanta, I think. Yes, it says Atlanta. Yay! Super excited. So we don't know what we're doing today, whether we're going out or not, but 90% we're not going out. We're gonna have fun at home because we both are so freaking tired. He's tired with his travel, I'm tired with my work. And look at this guy. Marvel, this is his what? Toy basket, and look at what he's doing because Marvel, you want some toys? Come on, let's get you the toys. Leave the toy basket alone. Babe! He's not leaving it alone.
Give it to me.
Give the toy basket. Marble, no. Marble, you're gonna get hurt. Marble, you're gonna get hurt.
Now where will I keep your toys, huh?
So anyways, I'm gonna go freshen up and I'll see you guys in some time.
What's up, people? So basically, Tanya and I are so tired today that we decided to get something from outside to eat and relax at home. I think this is gonna be the first Valentine that we are having, that we are just having a very casual, relaxed Valentine Day. Let me show you what we are eating. We got our own bowls and they are super delicious. We got this from Bole and look at that shrimp bowl with some miso glazed tofu and power beans, and I got a bowl with some miso glazed tofu, red potatoes, minted tomatoes, cilantro sauce. So if you have Bole nearby, then you should definitely try this. Super delicious.
So we'll do something fancy some other day. This Valentine's Day is going to be
relax. So we are gonna sit on a couch. So we are gonna be couch potatoes. Basically, we are gonna sit, relax, eat, and watch something fun in the TV. So we are gonna go do that. And you guys enjoy your Valentine dinner and comment and let us know what you did. And we'll see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.